I once knew two brothers whose lives were tied together by hardship. They grew up in a small house where money was always short, but loyalty was never questioned. From childhood, they fought the world side by side. When one fell, the other lifted him. People admired them, not because they were successful, but because they were inseparable. The younger brother believed in that bond more than anything. To him, his brother wasn't just family, he was safety. He trusted him with his secrets, his dreams, and eventually, his heart. Then a woman came into their lives. She didn't arrive with chaos. She arrived with warmth. She laughed easily and listened deeply. The younger brother loved her with honesty and hope. He spoke about building a future, about finally escaping the life they had always known. And because he trusted his brother completely, he brought her into his world without fear. The older brother never planned to betray him. At least, that's what he told himself. At first, it felt harmless, conversations that lasted longer than they should, moments of understanding that felt too personal. The older brother felt seen in a way he hadn't before. Guilt whispered, but desire spoke louder. Every time he could have stopped, he didn't. Slowly, without meaning to, he chose his own feelings over his brother's trust. And once that line was crossed, there was no going back. The younger brother sensed something was wrong before he knew the truth. Love has a way of warning you. Small changes. Strange silences. Eyes that no longer met his. The truth didn't come through confession. It came through realization. The moment he understood, something inside him broke quietly. Not loudly. Not dramatically. Just completely. He asked one question, in a voice almost too calm. Why would you do this to me? The older brother had no answer strong enough to carry the weight of what he had done. That night, the younger brother left. He didn't shout. He didn't beg. He didn't look back. Because some betrayals steal your voice. Days turned into months. Months turned into years. The woman didn't stay. Relationships born from betrayal rarely survive. Guilt followed her until love became unbearable. She walked away, leaving silence behind. But the brothers never reunited. The older brother lives with memories that feel like punishment. Every laugh from the past now hurts. Every memory reminds him of what he chose, and what he lost. Because losing a lover hurts. But losing a brother changes you forever. Some wounds don't heal with time. Some bonds don't survive betrayal. And sometimes, the most painful lesson is this. Blood doesn't break easily. But when it does, it breaks completely.